I wish to share with you a most profound truth, the law of assumption. Imagine, if you will, the boundless power of your conscious and subconscious minds. The conscious mind, symbolically male, is the thinker, the director. The subconscious mind, symbolically female, is the womb of creation, receiving impressions and bringing them to life. To create your desires, you must impress upon your subconscious through visualization, meditation, and persisting in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. When you visualize, see with the eye of your mind that which you desire. Meditate upon it, making it as real and vivid as you can. Feel the joy, the satisfaction, the contentment, as if it is already yours. Remember, the subconscious does not respond to commands, but to persuasion and emotion. It is through the gentle and persistent feeling of your wish fulfilled that you impress upon your subconscious. Do not waver, do not doubt. Persist in this assumption. By maintaining the feeling that you already possess your desire, you will persuade your subconscious mind, and it must certainly harden into fact. This is the law. Persist, believe, and you will create your reality. Thank you.